When looking for a laptop for your business, some common things that should be in mind is budget, design, operating system, and technical components like processor and battery life. The machine must cover the basic usage functions and adds the ability for intensive application usage. And when compared to consumer laptops, business laptops are often intended for portability and lengthy hours of use. The laptop should have sufficient ports including a USB port, HDMI port, SD card reader, and many more. Today we are going to unbox one of such laptops from Dell, that is Dell Latitude 3420 CTO model, and it's claimed to be a perfect business laptop from the manufacturer. So let's crack the windows. So here we have the brand new Dell Latitude 3420 business laptop. The packaging is quite nice so that it doesn't damage on the way. Here are the brand stickers. I bought it in India from Amazon and got this unit in 74,000 INR. So if you want this machine in US or UK, it would cost approximately $980 or $990. Let's open the box and see what's inside it. So here is 65 watt fast charging power supply with C-type connector so that a completely drained battery could be fully charged in less than an hour. Let's see what's inside it. There is a disclaimer. It's not a paid promotional video. I had just ordered for myself and this video is just for educational purpose. This is the machine. And here we got some paperwork. That's product manual with general specification, service center details, and do's and don'ts. Put the box to the side and let's check out the machine. Let's take off this plastic cover. So this is the Dell Latitude 3420 CTO laptop for business purpose. Finish is amazing, but there are some light stains visible on the top, which may have been done while packaging. I think so. Now check out the back panel. This is the 14-inch version with standard resolution size of 1366 by 768. On physical front, its height is approx 7.6 mm, width is 326 mm, and weight is approx 1.5 kg. That makes it too light to carry. Business laptops must not be more than 4.6 pounds. Anything heavier than that could become a burden if you move it around frequently. If we can talk about ports and slots, on the right hand side, one micro SIM card tray, one micro SD card reader, 3.5 mm audio jack, two USB ports, one RJ45 Ethernet port, and a wedge-shaped lock slot. On the left side, it has power in slot, one HDMI port, and one USB 3.2 Gen A port. Overall, every standard port is available that we are using on daily basis. Entire body is made of plastic. As you can see, color is dark graphite. Brand logo and model mentioned on the back side. That's a common practice for laptops. Here are the speakers. Hinges are quite solid that allows the display to open and close and helps protect vital cables that run from the laptop motherboard into the laptop's LCD display. Larger vents are there, means it has a very robust cooling system. Palm rest size is quite big, so you can work long without any trouble. Machine has very nice soft touch on keys. Larger edge-to-edge keyboard, keycaps, and touchpad is quite larger that makes typing and navigation easier. As you can see, entire body is made up of carbon plastic and color is dark graphite. Here near the camera is camera light and just next is inbuilt microphone. Let's power up the device and switch on the machine. Latitude 3420 is smaller and lighter with a new darker finish, polished sidewalls and very thin bezels. Startup instant, great. Machine has intelligent audio system that enhances audio quality and reduces background noise so you can hear and be heard, creating a better conference experience for all. These are the basic configuration options, so let's do it. It's a Energy Star rated machine, means Energy Star compliant systems not only saves your money but also reduces emissions associated with electricity production. Machine is running faster than expected. Display is very vibrant, so we can say initially machine is very impressive. Let's give password. Machine comes with Windows 10 and we may upgrade it to Windows 11. In the next video, we'll upgrade this machine from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So still, if you had not subscribed the channel, just press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. It has enhanced display, means it gains a brighter view in its full HD display panel. Let's go to system and check its configuration. It has 11th Gen Intel Core i5 processor that offers businesses the performance, manageability, built-in security features and scalability. RAM is 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz. Let's go to Task Manager and check the performance. So here on startup, CPU has 15% utilization with approx 2.35 GHz speed. It has M.2 512GB PCIe solid state drive that uses flash memory to store data and provides much faster speed than general hard disk drives. It has Intel Wi-Fi 6 capability that provides reliable connectivity, fast speeds and next-gen security to PCs and wireless networks. Also, it comes with Intel Iris graphic card, so that's the general specification. My view is in given price, machine has very good configuration and nice touch, so you will be happy to use it for business purpose. Now, before winding up this video, let's start the Windows update. So that's all for today's video. Bye bye.